That's why it's so important in this challenging time that we face that we continue to step up and maintain that momentum. Because at the end of the day, the whole country is looking towards us, but more importantly, the whole country is actually rewarding us appropriately by remunerating us for what it feels we are. It was important to actually be able to be here with the doctors, and this is their second conference. They had one in the Central Division in Pearl about 2 weeks ago. And the same messages that I and Permanent Secretary had stated to them in the Central Division, we've also stated today to the group here in the Western Division, which is about making sure that we continue to lead from the front in terms of the health protective measures that are in place, making sure that we pay attention to detail, understanding that the public at large is looking towards them, and how they hold themselves, and also ensuring that they are professional at all times, but also supporting the economic growth that we are having and the recovery that we are going through at the moment. Also glad that we can be able to come and meet here in Sofitel and Denarau. It's a testament to the recovery program that's happened, not only in terms of the health measures, but also what's happening in other fields. So the tourism sector, and the fact that we have developed those partnerships, and we need to continue to work with them. So those were the important key messages. Also making sure that we identify those at-risk populations, not only in terms of those who haven't been vaccinated, but those who are at risk from other things. For example, those with NCDs that we need to reach out and identify them, ensure that they're actually being managed and treated accordingly. One of the biggest benefits that we have at the moment is certainly the vaccination. So we have now vaccination coverage that are much more than we were in March and April this year. We also have, as I've said, more than 90% of the targeted population are fully vaccinated, and also we have quite a lot of our children who have already had vaccination. Coupled with that is the fact that the industries that play an important role, for example, the aviation industry, the tourism sector, they've all played their part in terms of the training that needs to be done, in terms of the amendments that need to be done in terms of the systems they have in place. And they've done this in keeping with what the best practice is and what the international guidelines are. Countries around the world that struggle, they struggle because first and foremost is their vaccination rates are low. And so they struggle because of that. We are at a very good place because of our vaccination rate, more than 90%. And because we are more than 90%, we're able to open our borders. But we have to couple that with the fact that we need to continue to abide by the public health safe measures. And we have a surveillance system that's in place. Not only is it available at the hospitals and health centers, but also out in the community, including the way in which the systems have been designed to work with the tourism sector. So far, so good. Since the first planes came in, we've been talking with our team here in Nandi. Everything's went well so far. They haven't been concerned about anything at all. We've had a lot of people come through. So, it is reassuring to see that the systems have not only in place, but they are working to an extent that we expected to. We've talked to the team here. They have the mechanisms for testing available. And the other thing is, in Parliament, In Parliament yesterday, we also, the other day, we were able to agree to, to the amendment to the Fiji Medicinal Act in the sense that we're able to now have more testing capability available in terms of importation. So these are mechanisms by which we can be able to increase the surveillance, increase the capacity for surveillance, and be able to pick up if there are cases. But as I said, so far everything seems to be on track. We are grateful for all the significant steps that have been done, but most importantly is the vaccination. There is no doubt that our very strong vaccination position puts us at the front end.